Welcome to New This Week at EEWeb in partnership with Mouser, where each week we feature some new and interesting products. This week we'll discuss Cree XLamp XP-G3 LEDs, on-semiconductor linear voltage regulators, and Amphenol commercial products Ultraport SlimSAS connectors. Cree's XLamp XP-G3 LEDs bring enhanced reliability to the XP-G platform by leveraging Cree's SC5 technology. XP-G3 LEDs are able to operate reliably at higher temperatures, allowing for lower cost optics and heat sinks. XP-G3 LEDs meet the more demanding DLC classification requirements for higher efficacy and lumen maintenance. As part of the XP-G platform, the XP-G3 has an existing ecosystem of electrical, mechanical, and optical components to work with, reducing design cost and time to market. LEDs are available in 3-step and 5-step options with outdoor, 70, 80, and 90 CRI white so designers can optimize for consistency, cost, and performance. Cree XP-G3 LEDs are ideal for directional, high and low bay, roadway, and high-end portable lighting. On-Semiconductor's NCP 177 500 mA linear regulators are designed to be a minimal footprint solution for lithium-ion powered devices or in post-regulation applications. The NCP 177 is available in fixed outputs from 0.7 to 3.6 volts, eliminating output setting resistor networks to keep total solution size of the 1x1 mm regulator to a minimum. The regulators feature a low quiescent current and low dropout voltage to maximize battery life. The device is also suitable for noise-sensitive circuits with a high PSRR and low output noise. Regulators include overcurrent and thermal protections and are available with or without an output discharge option. The small size, minimal solution footprint, and noise performance make the NCP 177 ideal for cell phones, portable communications equipment, and other battery-powered devices. Amphenol commercial Ultraport SlimSAS connectors offer designers the ability to easily introduce the higher speed SAS4 standard. Receptacles are available from 38 to 74 positions in both vertical and right angle configurations, using a 0.6 mm pitch conforming to the SFF 8654 specification. The connectors occupy the same area as mini SAS connectors, support 22.5 gigabit per second per lane operation for next generation storage devices, and use a ribbon cable interface with various assembly options, making internal routing and airflow management easier. Ultraport SlimSAS connectors are ideal for next generation storage devices and applications, including servers, switches, routers, storage racks, and controllers. Thanks for joining us this week. You can find all of this week's products at Mouser.com.